Hello guys, this is small baby laptop like this. These buttons for colors: brown, red, orange color. This is yellow.
This is yellow,
Green, blue, purple, brown, white, and number 10 number black. See, it's black color. Okay. Letter A, B, C, D, E,
I
F.
sing a song.
Yes.
I bless this.
No press.
Why?
Because it's make a copyright. That's why no press. Okay. A, B, C, D.
I need for small batteries.
E, F, G,
It
H,
have cover.
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay.
Bye bye.
This is number 4, A to Z letter. This is repeat. This is volume buttons, up and down. And this is animals. Animal sounds buttons. Animal. What is this animal?
It's like moo, make.
Yeah, moo, make is cow. And what is this animal?
Sheep. Me.
Yes, good. And what is this animal?
Meow cat. Have a big
Good
neighbor.
job. What is this?
Quaggle.
Okay. And what is this? Peacock. This is chicken. Chicken say quack, quack, like this.
Yeah, the big sound.
Okay, good job.
And duck.
This is duck. Oh my god.
like
This is duck.
Wow.
So guys, this is animal lion. Okay, first line colors, second line shapes, circle, triangle, square. Okay, this is shape line, and this is ABC. ABC with mentions app, F for app, B for bird, C for car, D for dog, E for ears, F for fairy, G for guitar. So next,